Hello, I'm Dee Russell-Thomas. I'm a UK Global Goodwill Director and Ambassador for the My Body is My Body programme, and I'm standing up against bullying. Bullying is not just having fun. It's not a rite of passage. It's cruel and it's dangerous. So this is my contribution to the campaign led by the wonderful Chrissy Sykes. I'm standing up against bullying. This is a mourning mother's lament. He waited for others to catch the bus. He knew it was safer that way. He took time in packing his backpack, hoping for a better day. As he slipped into the outside world, his safety net disappeared. The shadows resembled the enemies, a reminder of all that he feared. Poor Micky was a smelly kid with broken specs and goofy teeth, just useless with a football. The boys all laughed in disbelief. They taunted him. They called him names. They wouldn't let him join their gang. They tripped him up. They pushed and shoved. He jumped at every creak and bang. He dared not tell his single mum. She had enough to fret upon. The teachers all preoccupied. His confidence was truly gone. And then, one day, young Micky saw some postings on his phone. His photo there for all to see. Bare proof he was alone. The image showed him in the shower, the butt of school kid joke, but not for poor old Micky, whose spirit now they broke. He couldn't get to sleep that night, with heartbeat fast. His head was banging, and so he did just what they wanted. Next day, Mum found him hanging. "Oh no, we didn't mean it. 'Twas banter," they did cry. "Well, bullied to death was what it was. You caused my son to die." Stand up against the cruelty of picking on one another. Be strong and offer friendship to a weaker, lonely brother. What seems like childish humour cuts as deeply as a knife. Please join us in this movement to save a precious life.